Juice Bar channel. I've been talking about over the last couple of days weight loss, losing weight, healthy, detoxing your body. But I got a recipe you I want to share with my fans them today again. How you can use ginger to detox your body and it do help you to lose weight. I got some fresh ginger right here and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do at home. Alright? First of all, you need to have a grater. Very important for you to use when you're going to do detox in your body. The grater is very important. So first of all, I must say to you that detoxing your body is very good, and also, you know what I mean, but if you're allergic to certain things, you need to do a research, you know what I mean, research and see what's best for you, what's good for you, and what you can have, especially if you're on certain kind of tablet on, you know what I mean, you can use certain kind of ingredients. So you need to either check with your doctor, do a little bit of research, guys. But we all know that ginger is healthy, good for us, but at the same time we have to know what we are doing. Alright, first of all, medium size, I have a grater. And you got 4 sides of the grater. I'm going to be using this side because this side is perfect. I got some fresh ginger. I just grated my ginger. And all I'm going to do is grate a piece of a ginger. You can two things. You can either remove the skin. But I'm not going to move it because in the skin, there's a lot of flavor. So this is what I'm doing at the moment. And I want to say to you, if you have a jug like this, you can make a nice portion, bring it to work and drink it straight through the day. So it's an amazing drink, guys. Nice one. And second thing is we're going to pour some water on it like this. Get rid of some of the bits in the inside. Alright. Nice one. So I'm gonna just scrape out this bit. So this is what I need. Alright, guys. So that's the ginger water right here. And all I'm going to do is make sure, pour a little bit more in it like this. Lovely. I got some lemon. I'm gonna squeeze half of a lemon inside of it, and that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor also to it. I'm gonna give you my fans a little trick. Also, you can put a little bit of pepper, not too much. If you want, you can put also a teaspoon of honey inside of the water. All I'm gonna do is just taste it. That's perfect. And I'm gonna just simply run it through my strainer. Nice one. We don't need that one. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna pour it inside of this like this. Show you another trick what you can do also with that same piece of lemon we just squeeze out. Just slice off a piece of the lemon. Look at this. This is amazing drink. And it's so easy, guys. Ginger, lemon, water, pepper, little bit of honey, grate it, and also drink it. Second thing what you can do, if you have another jug like this, and if it's a little bit too strong for you, this is about 500 ml water. I'm gonna just pour it a little bit out of it, and just pour the rest in it like this. And nothing what you can do more than just drink this right straight through the day. Guys, this is an amazing drink right here. I love ginger, and honestly, ginger, lemon, cucumber, all of these ingredients, fresh mint is good for our immune system. And I'll just introduce you to my simple little ginger drink right here, where you can make with some lemon and honey at home. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your comments below, and as I say, please guys do some research. I'm just giving you some ideas and things where you can use at home to detox your body, help it to lose weight, clean out the immune system, and get rid of those junky what we normally eat. Alright guys, second thing I must say to you, don't forget I got the Chef Ricardo cooking show, and also we got the salad bar channel. Please subscribe and get some latest tips and ideas, and also some new recipe which is coming up soon for summer. Alright, so we are detoxing now, get yourself ready for summer, because you know I want a barbecue gonna depend the, yes, we all know. Alright guys, so stay tuned, and I thank you so much guys for your time watching my video, and hopefully we can come with best and better. If you have anything where you want to request, please write it in the description box, so stay right there. Bye bye.